Welcome, school employees. I'd like to thank you for your service to the kids of our state. As a school employee, you may qualify for a $200 benefit paid by your employer to help cover certain healthcare costs. This $200 is deposited in a flexible spending arrangement, or FSA, which is like a bank account for healthcare expenses. You can use it for yourself, your spouse or state registered domestic partner, or your children, even if they are not on your medical plan. What can you use this money for exactly? Internal Revenue Service (IRS) rules apply, but in general, you can use it to cover costs like co-payments for doctor's visits, eyeglasses, dental work, including orthodontia services, or some everyday health items you can buy at the store, such as sunscreen, if it's SPF 15 or higher, Band-Aids, a first aid kit, and even a blood pressure monitor. You can even use these funds to pay for your annual deductible. As a reminder, the deductible is the amount you must pay for healthcare or prescription drugs before your health plan starts paying for covered services. There are a few requirements to receive this benefit, like being enrolled in SEBB program benefits, making under a certain salary threshold, and being enrolled in certain medical plans. You can learn more about the eligibility requirements by visiting hca.wa.gov/ERB. You can also reach out to your payroll or benefits office or a union representative. If you're eligible for this benefit, you will receive a letter in the mail. Keep an eye out for a welcome letter from our FSA administrator, Navia Benefit Solution. This letter is mailed in January and will congratulate you on receiving the $200 benefit and tell you where to find more information about your FSA funds. If this is your first time qualifying, you should also expect to receive a Navia debit card, which looks like this. It has SEBB program and Navia Benefit Solutions at the top and your name and account number at the bottom. This debit card will arrive by mail before the end of February in an unmarked envelope. Once received, your $200 will be available for you to spend immediately. If you do not spend all of your funds during the year, don't worry. This benefit offers a carryover feature, which means funds that are not spent in one year will be available to spend the next year up to the carryover limit maximum amount set by the IRS each year. To learn more about this benefit, sign up for an FSA and make your own additional contributions to lower your tax burden, or to order a new debit card, please contact Navia Benefit Solutions. You can visit their website at SEBB.naviabenefits.com or contact Navia's Customer Service Center at 1-800-669-3539. Navia is available to answer questions about your account, using your funds, and how an FSA works in general. These are your benefits, and we want to make sure you're empowered to use them. Thank you for watching, and please be well.